Hello, Big League here doing a review of the Toguard slim design low profile trail camera. I want to show you some of the initial video first and I'll comment on the rest of the features next. This is the daylight mode, which is captured indoors. It's really dark, hence he's pretty laggy. But at night mode, when the infrared lights are on, it's pretty bright, so it actually captures his motion quite nicely. What I immediately like about this is it's very slim design. It's very different from how you normally see other trail cameras, which is really big, bulky, and boxy. This is along the thin profile. It's a very thin profile, and you could hide it alongside a bark much better than those big boxy ones. Okay, what I didn't like immediately is that when I have the settings in, once you turn it off, all the settings disappear. To go to the playback mode, you press OK. So that's the playback mode coming in from what they call the standby mode. You notice that it says OK to play back, but it doesn't play back. You got to press the left button. And that's set in the instructions. You can see the video of my cat. Pressing the left button again pauses it. So if you press OK again, it just goes back to the standby mode and it tells you everything. Other things I like, you could set the ISO. There's a time lapse, but it's only 30. You could set it at 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 240 minutes or something like that. You can't have customized lap time. I want time lapse of like a few seconds, not necessarily minutes, or at least 1 minute maybe, just to have a higher resolution of time lapse photos. Small, and when you flip the cover, you gotta go like this, right? And this thing doesn't pop off, you gotta pull it out. So it's a two-step thing, and there it is. So this is in test mode. Once you turn it off, the settings are reset. On is when you actually turn it on. When you go on, you'll see that it will blink. It means it's not recording yet. It's kind of like in 3, 2, 1, and it'll start recording. I'll show you when it is. Now it's recording, and you set it back to test mode. Let's go back here, and if you press the laser button, you see there's a laser coming out. That is for helping you point the camera at a certain target if you want to. But I mean, it's quite redundant because you could actually see the video from here of what is actually recording. So when you go into the menu button, the laser button actually lets you cycle through the different modes. Yeah, again, you have to figure this out. Eventually you get it. And again, to go back to playback mode, you have to press OK. Not from here, because it doesn't work. You gotta press it from here. And if you, by accident, press down, it says 22, file 22, that's still my last file. For some reason, it doesn't cycle back to the very top. It just says there's no file. You've reached the very end, and you gotta press OK. Overall, I really like the slim design of this camera and the quality of the video and photos. If you want to see more reviews, just like and subscribe. Peace out.